In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your passwords out of LastPass. If you've already brought your logins into a new password manager and you're ready to clean up what's left behind, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove entries from your LastPass vault safely and confidently. First, head to the LastPass vault in your web browser. If you're asked to sign in, do that as you normally would so you can access your saved items. Take a moment to ensure you're on the official site and using a trusted device and network. When the vault opens, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Passwords. This view shows only your stored website and app logins, which makes it easier to focus on the accounts you've already moved. You can sort the list or keep things as is. Either way, you'll be working within this password section for the rest of the process. Next, choose or search for the specific login you want to remove. The search field at the top is the fastest way. Type the site or app name to filter the results immediately. Before you delete anything, double-check the entry details so you're certain it's the exact account you intended to move, especially if you have multiple logins for the same service. It helps to compare the username label or any notes you added to the item. Once you've located the correct entry, click the three dots next to it to open the options menu, then click Delete. LastPass may ask you to confirm this action. Read the prompt and confirm to proceed. The item will be removed from your passwords list, which prevents LastPass from autofilling it and keeps your vault tidy after your migration. Repeat the same select, search, and delete cycle for any other accounts you no longer want stored in LastPass. Working in small batches can reduce mistakes, and searching by domain names makes it easier to find related entries quickly. If you're collaborating with a team, be mindful of any shared items and confirm they've been handled in your new manager before removing them here. When you're finished, give the passwords list a final glance to make sure only the entries you still need remain. That's all there is to it. By navigating to your vault, opening the password section, picking the right item, and using the three-dot menu to delete, you can methodically move your passwords out of LastPass and keep your data organized going forward.